Hello everyone. I feel like I haven't been able to just like sit and talk to you guys in so long. There's been so many updates in my life. It's made me like overwhelmed to vlog because I'm like, oh my god, I didn't tell them about this and I need to tell them about this and then I've just been busy and I'm just like, blah, 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 blah. My brain. But what we're not going to do is we're not going to avoid talking or vlogging, because what happens is when I get overwhelmed in my head, I'll kind of just like be like, I don't know what to do, and then time will go by and then I'm like, why haven't I posted a vlog in so long? And then I get mad at myself. So my agent just texted me, check your inbox. All that to say, I've missed you. I feel like there is so much to update you on. I am in the process of completely rearranging, cleaning out my house, my garage, just everything. I even hired Bailey, the personal organizer who I worked with a few months ago on some different areas of the house. So it's like different stuff, but she's been helping me this week. I've just been getting everything ready for Ashley's wedding because Yuka's family is flying out from Japan. I know I've said that. Some of you don't know who Yuka is, but she's not a blood sister, but she is my sister. Like, we grew up together. She lived with us, and her whole family, my niece and nephew, they're the ones I always visit when we're in Japan, but they're coming out for the wedding. And then her parents are also, which I thought was so sweet. They literally were like, we would never miss Ashley's wedding. So I thought that's so sweet. But they're all staying at my house in less than a month, so I'm getting both the guest rooms ready. I have so much organizing to do, and then I'm like, we gotta get shit figured out. Also, I don't have my car tripod, so I'm sorry if it's a little bumpy. My mom and dad were visiting this past weekend, also helping me with the house. So lots of things. Also, Zane's mom is actually going to be watching my house and Rosie while I'm in Nashville this weekend visiting Heath and Mariah. So she is coming in today, so I had to get the room ready for her also. So we just recorded a quick episode and now I'm headed back home to kind of like work on all of that. So I'll show you the mess of stuff that I need to get through. I should pack today because tomorrow I have a shoot where I'm going to be gone most of the day in Irvine. Oops, excuse me, sir. And we all know I'm a procrastinator, so I should pack today, but realistically I'm probably not gonna. I'll probably just do it tomorrow, even though I should do it today. I don't know why I do that to myself. Also, obviously, Ashley's Bachelorette is coming up, and that is gonna be so fun. Taryn and I have been working really hard on that, so I haven't been vlogging any of that stuff. But I'll vlog the actual Bachelorette, obviously, but I feel like my brain is also there. I'm like, we need to get all the gift bags and games figured out and set up. So yeah, lots of things, all good things. But yeah, I'm excited, lots to do. Oh, I need to get a vlog up ASAP for you guys. And my editor may not be able to edit most of it. So I'm like, do I just edit that myself today? I'm not sure, but yeah, well, I don't know. We'll see. All right, update. We are home and been doing some organizing. When I show you this after, I should have gotten it before, but this bathroom is now actually usable. This turned into, I'll insert a photo. This turned into just storage for all tech stuff because I don't need this restroom technically, but I'm so happy that it's finally a working bathroom. We've been busy, gone through so much stuff. I will say, I still have a few more bags we need to go through, so I'm gonna do that now. All right, I think this is mostly tech stuff, which there's a lot of things. Oh god, that's so heavy. Like this tripod, it's not even a tripod, it's a light stand. It's been broken for so long and it's just ended up back in there. I got this at a YouTube Summit thing years ago. So it has like a little light. And then this is one of those like resealable Ziploc baggies, which I'm like, this needs to be in the kitchen. Obviously I need to wash it. Portable battery, headphones, another mic. Like all this just needs to go and be organized. I haven't seen a dongle in who knows how long because I haven't had to use it, but I'm like, what if I need it, you know? I was looking for this. This definitely goes to something else, but I don't know what. Oh my god, like look at this old phone. I miss flip phones. There's something about when you're done. Part of me wants to just like get a little flip phone, you know? Go back to life before we all had computers in our hands 24/7. Like this belt. Okay, so maybe I'll take out anything that's oh my god, my camera. Oh, there you go. And we have more headphones. Actually, maybe I'll give these to Ashley because she has the old phone. Oh, this is a mic. What do you go to? Damn, there's so much shit in here. What does this go to? Oh my god, I was looking for you. Hey you guys, it has been a minute. I know I've said it already. I just need to apologize again how all over the place this vlog has felt. Because at least for me, it feels like it's just been fucking all over the place. This morning I genuinely was about to just scratch this whole vlog, but I know you guys always say you want something rather than nothing. And I was like, you know what? That's life. Sometimes there's just weeks that are like all over the place, especially with Ashley's Bachelorette and her wedding. Like there's just so much happening. 2 weeks from today, Yuka and her family come. So I've just been really prepping the house. As I've mentioned, today we have painters doing the outside of the house. My brain's just been everywhere. I'm a little worried about brain fog lately, which I've been talking to my doctor about, but getting ready for them to come. It's Yuka's mom, her dad, her husband, and her 2 kids. So I'm so excited. I'm getting both the guest rooms ready. My dad actually was like, I was gonna hire painters and he was like, stop, I'm gonna come over and help you paint. So he's here today and he's gonna help me paint, which I'm like so grateful for. Honestly, I feel like there's so many updates. Greer moved out a few weeks ago. She's currently filming a movie. So once she left, then I was like, I can actually get the guest room ready and stuff. And then I need to paint both rooms. Then my dad was like, I'm not gonna make you pay for painters. I'm gonna come help you. So that's why I'm so grateful that he came today. Luckily, there's been no drama around the wedding, but I think like there's just been a lot mentally for me to like kind of sort through and figure out. Another thing, this is, you know what, is as good. It's as good as it's gonna get. Also, when Yuka comes with her kids, I have been very aware that I have a lot of like, you know, very artsy, half-naked women in a lot of my art, or like Playboy magazines or things that I probably shouldn't have with 5-year-olds and 5 and 6-year-old. So I need to figure out a little DIY too. I don't wanna take them down, but I'm trying to think of what I can replace them with. Maybe even like the big artwork I can just take off and put like wrapping paper in, just like a plain color. I don't know, I need to do that. Okay, this piece is pissing me off, but okay. So as you guys remember, this was my old office. I still haven't even shown you my full office downstairs. See, there's so many updates. So this, we patched the walls. You can't really see, but we patched them, or he patched them. I did nothing. And then we're just gonna paint that. I got a new bed for in here, so I'm just so excited to be able to host everyone. Everyone say thank you, Papa Marie, for helping. I have a little bit of stuff to do today, and then I can help too. Teamwork.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be cool.
Look at us getting our steps in. I saw a TikTok that said your dog sniffing is equivalent to you scrolling and rotting on TikTok, and it made me look at walks so differently for Ro. What the? And obviously you know where we're about to go. You know it. We got our coffee. Come on, Wayne. It's kind of hard juggling all of this, but we're good. That was good, huh? Good exercise for us, huh? Yeah. Let's go get water, come on. Let's get water. All right, my dad is still at his appointment with Ashley, so I'm gonna try to get some work done before we start painting. I have some editing I need to do. Alrighty. What age were you when you started construction?
Construction? Let's see, I helped build a house in high school.
Really?
Yeah, they had a program, and that's what I thought I wanted to do. You know, it taught me a lot of things.
Yeah.
I wouldn't pursue it again.
Well, you paid your dues.
Yeah. Well, my dad had me painting when I was, I don't know. And he said, Dad, let me help. Let me help. And then one day he helped and he thought I was good and then he quit. So we never had any time together like that.
Oh.
But I mean, you know, then he would show up, you know, okay, because school was getting out for the summer, and he goes, okay, I need these painted. And he brought home 4 gallons of paint, and I had to paint the whole leaf.
Wow.
You know, so I learned early on.
Update everyone, it's been a little bit. My dad and I did some painting, and I am currently headed to drop off my ballot for voting. So everyone go vote. I got my sticker. I'm gonna go drop that off, and then I should pick up a package that I have. We did it. Also, because we all know I have current hyperfixations. My current music song hyperfixation has been Zara Larsson, Blue Moon, but with the one, not with the one, but the one with Kehlani. Oh my God, so good. So good! Come here, Ween, hello! Hello! Good morning, y'all.
Oh, good morning.
Good afternoon. I took a nap and it's 3 p.m. Woo! Thank you. We got the goods. Praise. And the goods and the girls. Ashley and I are literally dragging so much right now. Also, this vlog's all over the place, but got back from Nashville yesterday and
How was it?
so good. Tony is cute, like one of the cutest babies I've ever seen. I'm not kidding. And photos just like don't do justice. Like he's so cute.
What a little nugget.
No, a nugget. Like, and so happy. Like, I feel like it's been a while since I've like been around babies that are just like just chilling.
Happy,
you know?
yeah.
We got coffee. We're gonna prep for the batch. You have a lot of packing. I'm gonna help you film. First we're gonna Is there something genetic with like coffee lovers? I'm just like, yes. When people say they don't have coffee, I'm like, how?
You know, Jackson was like that.
And then he met you?
He didn't wake up and have coffee. He didn't go to bed thinking about coffee.
No, like,
and I don't think he goes to bed thinking about coffee.
I do.
But he literally wakes up and immediately makes a pot of coffee and immediately has a cup of coffee
No.
now because of me. And I'm
It's
just like, I could never, I don't understand. I have to have this.
Can't relate to certain people.
Like, I'll be going to bed and I'll be like, I can't wait for that first sip.
No, and if you get it, you get it. Yeah, so it's been a few days since I've vlogged. That coffee hit. We're gonna go to Ashley's. We're gonna get some stuff done, prep for the batch. Girls, go in your spot. I know you want the camera.
Chloe,
Both
ma'am.
of you. Chloe.
Chloe. Wow, look at you guys. Chloe.
Rosie, go to your spot.
Chloe.
Both
Did
of
you lay
them.
down? Chloe,
Rosie, go
spot.
Rosie,
Chloe,
go to your spot.
Rosie, come on, Chloe. She's still. I can't do this. How will I be a mother one day?
We just got to Ashley's. We're gonna help her pack, maybe make some content around that. I have a huge smudge on my camera. Oh my God. I don't know what my bangs are doing right now, but they're doing something. I will say the girls will be very sad if they see a suitcase, but we should we can just lay everything out. Oh, I left a battery. I've been looking for that, and then I need to give one back to Remy. This is low-key why I haven't really been vlogging, because my extra battery was at Ashley's since the shower and I totally left it. Okay, hi. Hi, Ash. Wait, that's really cute. We have lots of white happening here, as you can see.
We have exploded bride.
I love it though.
Literally everywhere, but in a fun way.
Yeah.
We were just trying to figure out, how does one wear this? We decided swim cover up is what we're going with. And that's that.
Good morning. You look so cute right now. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I have pretty basic today. I need to go start getting ready for that. And then I desperately need to pack for Ashley's Bachelorette, which I'm so excited for. We leave tomorrow. I can't believe it's tomorrow. I have a spray tan tonight for it. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go record 2 episodes, come back, start packing like crazy. But we still have more we need to do today. Also, did anyone notice the disco ball is officially down? It's been there since COVID, which is crazy. But yeah, let's go get ready. Let's go get ready. I spent way too much time on my makeup to and the camera's lowering. Cool, we got some movement. I spent way too much time on my makeup this morning for it to just look okay. And I don't know if it's my skin or what, but like it just wasn't turning out how I wanted to. But you know what? It's fine. We are ready. We're gonna go to Pretty Basic. I was hoping I'd have time to like pack a little bit before I left, but I didn't. Which, are we shocked? No, not at all. Okay, let me think. What do I need? What do I need? What do I need? What do I need? Okay, it's currently at 12:52, which means I gotta go. All right, you guys, I wanted to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry again that it's all over the place, but get excited because the next vlog is gonna be Ashley's Bachelorette weekend. And it's so fun and so good. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you then. Mwah, bye.